Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to show you how to replace the door sills on the LG refrigerator. So all door sills are the same and they're basically come off the same way as any other LG. So as you can see here, this one's pretty messed up and cracked. So if your doors are not sealing well with the fridge and you have a lot of condensation, more than likely this is your problem. At the end of the video I'll show you exactly how it should be. So to remove this, it's pretty simple. You actually just peel it off. I would start with the corners first and just work my way down the side of it, the top and then down the side. And as you can see here, this here is a pretty bad seal. It only takes enough or a part of the bad seal to allow it not to seal correctly to have that suction. So yeah, just pull it off. As you can see here, real simple. In LG, they actually send you the gasket pretty in nice shipment, or a nice box where it doesn't bend the gasket itself. So most of the time you can just put it right on there without even trying to flex it out, which is a good way they ship that. So just start with one corner, press in, and then start with the other corner and press in at the top, and then you'll just work your way across the top. Just use your finger to press in. So once you press in all the way through, then you'll just slide down to make sure everything's in, and vice versa. We'll just do the same thing on both sides. We'll just work our way down, make sure everything's pressed in, and then once we get to the bottom, we'll make sure our corner is pressed in. I always like to use two fingers to really press in there. And that one looks a little funky there. Probably have to return this one, but then we'll just check, and then we'll just go. Yeah, that's definitely looks like it ripped a little bit. So definitely look at the gasket before you install it, and then just work your way down the other side with your thumb, and then you'll take your two thumbs or one thumb and press in real strong eventually. So you just want to make sure it's nice and pressed into the grooves of the door housing, as I guess you would want to call it, a door housing, or the door itself. Not much for words, but anyway, same thing at the bottom. You might have to get down on your knees and kind of look underneath to make sure that it's nice and even and not dripping, and press into place. So hopefully this gives you enough angle to see. So you can see here it's kind of the right hand side there is kind of drippy for some reason. So I'm going to try to fix that because I want everything to be flush and aligned. There we go. And then work your way across, pressing in with the finger. Okay. So yeah, just work your way down the sides one more time. Make sure everything's aligned and pressed into the door, the gasket. And then you'll go across the top one more time. Just make sure everything's flushed, and down the other side. Now you're going to shut the door to make sure everything's sealed. You should have no type of gap in between the gasket and the door itself. So you'll just open the door, check down, make sure it's nice and sealed. Sometimes you can use a steamer to flex it out if you need to, but the way they ship these things are actually fairly easy to install. And this is, as you can see, there's suction on the fridge now. See, suction. Now if you pull your fridge and the door opens very easily, that means you have a problem. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. If you have any comments, just leave them below. And I really want to give a shout out to all my Super Thanks supporters. We are grateful for everything and your support. Thank you.